might put my voice in here if I wanted to. Don't mind if I sound young. This is how I sound. So let's just ignore that and let's just keep finishing. How long would this take? Like, why is this girl still trying to kill people? Don't mind, I'm eating. You want some ASMR? Sorry about that. This girl. Okay, I see you, girl. Okay, I won't bully her. I'm sorry. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. You got this. Come on. You got this. Yeah, if I'm on live, please say hi in the comments. I would definitely read your comments or even message if I can. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe to the live. I want to reach 600, so subscribe. Yeah. You got 5 seconds to subscribe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you subscribe, thank you. Really good. I'm having some pork, some chicken pork, or just pork. I'm drinking some Kool-Aid. It's blue. Guess the time was up. Where are all my fans at, guys? My fans left. Where's my fans at? Where all my... Bye, Amara. Had to go. Bye, guys. Watch my live. It is going to start. It's going to start, guys. My friend is gone, guys. Now I got no fans left. Don't worry. Alrighty. So what is this people saying? When? After this vid, when I'm done, I'm going live with, oh my gosh, with voice. I meant voice, guys. Yeah, I don't know how to spell voice. Voice. Oh my gosh. Yeah, voice. I meant like that, but she's already gone. No, bye-bye.